YouTube, what is up? I am back with a brand new video. Now here today I'm going to be discussing some of the items that I copped from the last revenge drop before the Halloween drop. I will be coming out with a video on my Halloween pieces soon. Let's get into it. So here today I have the Mickey tee, and I also have the highlight of the video, the denim jean jacket. Now the denim jean jacket is embroidered, which I completely love about it, and it's like my first embroidered piece. I wasn't able to get the embroidered red hoodie, the black and red bread hoodie. Was not able to get that hoodie when it dropped, but I'm super amped that I copped this one. And this drop was a weird one, definitely. But let's get into it. So first we have the Mickey tee. Now this design was inspired by like Kurt Cobain and of course Mickey Mouse, as you see, and it's supposed to be Kurt Cobain as Mickey Mouse. That's why he has on the shades and he has the guitar and everything, which I thought that was pretty cool. Now the overall material of the t-shirt, it feels definitely different than I would say like the Inferno tees and stuff like that. It feels more of like higher quality, and I felt like they put a lot more effort into this drop than previous drops. And even down from the lookbook, was a video, and then they like finally like put out like some of the items that they were gonna have on the shop, but they didn't put out everything, so we kind of went into it a little bit blind and didn't know what was gonna be up. And it was a pretty big drop. And another thing that was really confusing about this drop was the fact that the password leaked. So Garrett was claiming if you can figure out the password, if you can guess it, you can get a free basketball with your order, and they'll cover the whole entire order or something like that. But yeah, somehow the password leaked out through people. I happened to be inside a Discord group, and as soon as the password leaked, like I immediately went. I was skeptical. I didn't really think it was real, but I immediately went and tried it, and it was in fact real. And it was an old password from like 2 or 3 drops ago or something like that, and it was just really confusing. I was just like, oh shit, alright, let me hurry up and get the item that I really want the most, which is the denim jacket. So I went and I copped that immediately. Now I'm glad that I was able to cop like when the password dropped, because once the site actually went up, they sold out within like 2 minutes or something like that. It was even shorter than that, but I know I would have not had a chance to get this. And yeah, man, that was like the really crazy part about the drop, like the password leaking, like I want to say like 2 or 3 hours right before the drop or something like that. And it was just a weird thing. But yeah, the tee is super durable. I love the material, I love the fit, I love the way it feels. I think the screen printing on it is really good. It's really solid. And overall, I just love pairing this actually with the denim jacket. I have seen like pictures of that in the lookbook and everything. But yeah, as soon as I got these pieces, that's exactly how I wore it. But yeah, it's a really dope tee. Now let's get into the denim jacket. Now the denim jacket is, I'm hearing that it's a Levi's blank, and it kind of fits, I want to say, cropped. I was expecting this to fit oversized or a little bit baggy or true to size like the workwear jackets. So I went true to size and I bought a large, which I wish I would have bought an extra large just to have like a little bit more length. But I'm hearing that the length does not change between all the jackets. It's only the length in the arms that change between the jackets, and everyone's just gonna have crop jackets. And it's kind of been the same way with the varsity jackets, which I didn't cop those at the time, but I kind of regret it because those pieces are cool. But yeah, the way the jean jacket fit kind of threw me off a little bit, but it has really grown on me. I've been wearing it every day since I've had it, and they were not lying about how fast they were gonna be doing shipping. Like, shipping was super fast. I want to say it was like that week after the drop, I had my items, and it was super quick. And this has kind of been the same for the Halloween drop. Now, it wasn't as quick as the last drop before, but the Halloween drop had a lot more like high volume, and it was like just up for a little bit longer. They had a lot more stock, and they were like expecting to do a lot of numbers, just because that they had put out the lookbook with King Von and everything, and RP, and they had been like doing so much promotion for it. And of course, you know, with Revenge reaching out to these TikTok influencers, it's starting to get popular between TikTokers and people who use that platform. It's nothing against them, but I personally, honestly, just want the brand to stay pure. You know, I don't want the brand becoming something where it's just like a novelty and it loses its message and its core following like some other brands, but I won't speak on that in this video. But this jean jacket, man, it is a really dope piece. The embroidery is amazing. It has the sleeve text, everything you could want. I wasn't able to get the pins for the jean jackets because they had pins, but I really wanted that, but it's all good. I'll just buy some other cool pins to put on my jean jacket. But the pockets are pretty deep, the front pockets, and they also have pockets on the inside of them. Now, they're like deep enough for you to like put small things in, but not like your actual like phone being in there for a long time. I would suggest you probably put that in the inside pocket or something like that, or maybe your wallet on your inside pocket. But overall, the material feels really amazing. The quality is great, and if you can find one of these for a decent price, I would say go for it. And I definitely don't regret my purchases. I actually loved the pieces that dropped during this whole thing. I was going for the pants. I couldn't get the pants, but then after a while, I realized that I really didn't need them. And I was lucky enough to get the FTP pants, the black bullet hole pants. And I will be doing a video on that coming up. I got more revenge pieces. I got a whole bunch of videos coming up, so just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and just check out my other recent videos that I've done, like the new video that I dropped on off-white dunks and different things like that. But I do sneaker reviews also, and I want to say thanks to everyone who's been supporting my channel and just coming by, just giving me a view, or dropping a like, something, leave a comment, tell me what did you get from the drop, if you were trying to get things from the drop. And yeah, I want to just say thanks and appreciate you. Have a great day.